Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to move a PDF file to another folder within the Dropbox mobile app using the latest updated interface. Whether you're organizing your documents or just cleaning up your files, moving a PDF to the right folder is quick and simple on your phone. Let's dive in. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Once the app is ready, look toward the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This is where all your documents, photos, and PDFs are stored and managed. Next, scroll or browse through your files until you find the PDF you want to move. When you spot it, look for the three-dot menu icon right next to the file name. Tapping those three dots will open a small menu with several options. From this menu, select Move. This action will open your folder list, showing you where you can move your PDF. Now, simply navigate through your folders and find the best destination for your file. Whether it's a new folder you've created for organizing invoices or a project folder where the PDF fits best, just tap to highlight the folder. Finally, to complete the move, tap Move at the bottom of your screen. Dropbox will then relocate your PDF to the chosen folder, helping keep your storage neat and easy to access. And that's all there is to it. Moving a PDF in the Dropbox mobile app is fast and straightforward, giving you more control over how your files are organized right from your phone. If you ever need to shift files around, just follow these simple steps and your folders will stay tidy and efficient. Thanks for watching.